This is going to be new system test number 2, also known as system test number 53, with
Jack Williamson 54, and who?
Is the alarms?
Anyways,
so for the system we got
T-Bar, U70, S464, and BG6.
only this one was changed out.
Genesis without the bezel around the trim plate. MTL, 9219, and another Genesis without the trim plate, but this one's on upside down. And T-Bar, we're going to start off with. This is going to be doing code 3. This can set on chime, and this one is set on Genesis saying code 3.
And so is that one.
3, 2, 1.
If you haven't noticed right away, DC-DC converter is disconnected, and there's filter DC thanks to a good old power supply. So I'll reset the T-bar. So now let's switch it up, and you want to start the walk test now?
Mm-hmm.
So I found out that this panel actually, the walk test on this panel does actually work.
We were doing it wrong.
It actually works relatively well, so. We've also got this Edwards 6251B on 110 on zone 6. And later on I'm going to add a smoke detector there and there. So yeah.
Fine.
Alright. So
I'm going to restart by starting off with this smoke detector. It's going to pulse 6 times.
yep. Also, the integrity is disconnected for this video, unlike the last one.
You're getting a Skype call.
Should I key activate this
Go.
T-bar?
Go for it.
That was on zone 2. And
We're doing a
this is,
full system walk test?
nah, we're just gonna do this one, which I'll flip. This is on zone 4,
Go.
so.
There we go.
And that's that. So thank you guys for watching system test number 53, also known as new system test number 2. See you guys later.